235.
भयाद्रणादु परतम्
भयाद्रणातु परतम्
मंस्यन्ते त्वां महारथाः
मंस्यन्ते त्वां महारथाः
येषां च त्वं बहुमतो
येषां च त्वं बहुमतो
भूत्वा यास्यसि लाघवम्
भूत्वा यास्यसि लाघवम्
235.1. The meaning of the words of the shloka. Bhayadranaduparatam. That is Bhayat plus Ranat plus Uparatam. Bhayat from, that is due to fear. Ranat from war. Uparatam have withdrawn. Mamsyante will think. Tvam you. Maharathaha, the great warriors, Yesham, of whom, who, Cha, and Tvam, you, Bahumato, Bahumataha, much thought of, that is held in high esteem, Bhutva, having been, Yasyasi, you will go, that is attain, Laghavam, smallness. 235.2. The meaning of the shloka. The great warriors would think you have withdrawn from the war due to fear, and you who have been held in high esteem by them will attain smallness. 235.3 Bhashya.
भयाद कर्णादिभ्यो రణాद युद्धाद उपरतं निवृत्तं मंस्यन्ते चिन्तयिष्यन्ति न कृपया इति त्वां महारथाः दुर्योधनप्रभृतयः येषां च त्वं दुर्योधनादीनां बहुमतः बहुभिः गुणैः युक्तः इत्येवं बहुमतः भूत्वा पुनः यास्यसि लाघवं लघुभावम्.
Translation. Great warriors like Duryodhana will think that you have desisted from war out of fear of people like Karna and not out of compassion. The same you who have been held in high esteem as a person with several good qualities by people like Duryodhana will become small in their eyes. 235.4 Explanation. Karna is a mighty archer equal to Arjuna. He would be the only warrior on the opposite side Arjuna might have been scared of. That is why the Acharya brings in his name. Another point to note is the use of the word Lakhavam. Swami Shankarananda Saraswati explains this as the same as Avamati, which is the opposite of Bahumati, a good name. He goes on to say that this is different from Akirti, infamy, of the previous sloka. That is an indirect rejection by the society, while Avamati and Lakhavam refer to the direct experiencing of disgrace. 235.5 Bhashya.
किञ्च
Translation. Moreover,